Have you ever noticed feeling weaker over time, even when you're not skipping workouts? It's not always about age or laziness. Sometimes your muscles are simply starving for the right fuel. Today, we're breaking down 10 powerful foods that help prevent muscle weakness and loss so you can stay strong, active, and energized for life. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, isn't just something older adults deal with. It can begin as early as your 30s, especially if your diet lacks key nutrients. But here's the good news. The right foods can help build, repair, and preserve muscle, even if you're not hitting the gym daily. Let's dive into the 10 muscle-saving foods your body will thank you for. Food number 1, eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein you can find, containing all 9 essential amino acids your muscles crave. They're especially rich in leucine, a key amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. The best part? You don't have to rely on just egg whites. The yolk contains vital nutrients like vitamin D and healthy fats that support hormone production. Whether you like them boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are an easy and versatile way to fuel your strength. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day can make a noticeable difference in muscle maintenance. Food number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt packs a serious punch when it comes to muscle-friendly nutrition. It has nearly double the protein of regular yogurt, making it a perfect option for muscle repair and recovery. The probiotics help support gut health, which is essential for nutrient absorption, especially the amino acids your muscles need. Plus, it's rich in calcium and vitamin B12, both important for proper muscle contraction and nerve function. Add it to smoothies, pair it with berries, or enjoy it on its own as a powerful snack. Food number 3, spinach. Spinach isn't just a leafy green, it's a natural muscle booster. It's high in magnesium, a mineral vital for muscle contraction and energy production during exercise. Spinach is also rich in nitrates, which have improved blood flow to muscles and enhanced performance. On top of that, it contains iron, which helps carry oxygen to your muscles, preventing fatigue and weakness. Toss it in salads, stir it into eggs, or blend it into smoothies for a quick nutrient upgrade. Food number 4, chicken breast. Lean is loaded with high-quality protein. Chicken breast is a classic staple for muscle health, and for a good reason. Just 1 serving offers around 25 to 30 grams of protein with minimal fat, helping to repair and build muscle tissue efficiently. It's also a great source of B vitamins like niacin and B6, which play a role in energy metabolism. If you're active or trying to regain strength, incorporating chicken breast into your meals ensures your muscles are well fed. Grill it, bake it, or stir-fry it. Just keep it simple and clean. Food number 5, quinoa. Quinoa is a plant-based powerhouse that delivers complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, which is rare for grains. It's especially great for vegetarians or anyone looking to reduce meat intake while still building muscle. Beyond protein, quinoa offers magnesium, iron, and fiber, supporting muscle function, oxygen delivery, and digestion. Its complex carbs also provide long-lasting energy to fuel your workouts and daily movement. Swap it for rice, toss it in salads, or enjoy it as a hearty side. Food number 6, salmon. Salmon does more than just taste great, it's a muscle-preserving machine. Rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, it helps reduce muscle inflammation and breakdown, especially as we age. Omega-3s also improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your muscles to use nutrients for growth better. On top of that, it's packed with vitamin D, which supports strong bones and muscle function. Grill it, bake it, or throw it in a bowl, you'll get strength with every bite. Food number 7, almonds. Almonds are more than just a convenient snack. They're loaded with nutrients that directly support muscle strength. Each handful delivers protein, healthy fats, and a generous dose of vitamin E, which protects muscle cells from oxidative damage. They also offer magnesium, which supports muscle contraction and recovery. Almonds are great for curbing hunger while helping maintain lean muscle mass. Add them to oatmeal and salads, or simply eat them raw for a quick power-up. Food number 8, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a hidden gem for muscle health, especially when eaten before bed. It's rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that fuels your muscles throughout the night, promoting overnight recovery. It's also high in calcium and phosphorus, which strengthen both bones and muscle fibers. Plus, it contains a good balance of carbs and fats, making it a well-rounded addition to your diet. Pair it with fruit or a sprinkle of nuts for a satisfying muscle-nourishing snack. Food number 9, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which your muscles rely on for energy, especially after exercise. They're also rich in potassium, a key electrolyte that prevents muscle cramps and supports healthy muscle contractions. With vitamin A and antioxidants, sweet potatoes help reduce inflammation and support recovery. They provide the fuel your body needs to rebuild and strengthen muscle tissue effectively. Roast them, mash them, or turn them into fries for a nutrient-packed carb source. Food number 10, lentils. Lentils are a budget-friendly, muscle-building powerhouse packed with plant-based protein and fiber to keep you full and fueled. They're also rich in iron, which helps deliver oxygen to your muscles and reduces fatigue. Plus, lentils contain magnesium and B vitamins that support muscle metabolism and nerve function. Whether you're vegetarian or just looking to diversify your meals, lentils are an excellent choice. Toss them into soups, salads, or rice dishes to boost nutrition and strength. Dear viewers, muscle loss doesn't happen overnight, and neither does muscle strength. But with these foods in your daily diet, you're not just fueling your body, you're investing in your long-term mobility, strength, and energy. Eat smart, move more, and your muscles will care for you for years. Which of these foods are already in your diet? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a chance to power up your health. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.